In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages in your Weebly site. Whether you're working on a robust new section and want to keep the same layout, or you simply want to streamline the creation of similar pages, duplicating a page can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right into it so you can make the most of your Weebly site. First, you'll need to open up your Weebly site editor. Once you're in, take a look at the top bar. You'll see various options up there, but the one you're looking for is labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub for managing all the pages of your website. Once you're in the Pages section, direct your attention to the left C bar. Here, a list of all your existing web page titles will be visible, organized in a nice, tidy column. This setup makes it simple to navigate your site structure and find exactly what you need. Now, from this sidebar list, identify the specific page you'd like to duplicate. Consider why you're choosing this page. Is it because it has a layout you desire to replicate? Or perhaps it already contains elements you want in your new page. Once you've pinpointed the desired page, click on it. This will select the page, prepping it for the next step. The next action is straightforward. With the page selected, find and click on the Copy button. This simple action is the magic trick here. The moment you click Copy, a duplicate of the page is created instantly. It seamlessly appears in your page list as a new entry, usually appended with the word Copy to distinguish it from the original. And just like that, you've successfully duplicated a page on your Weebly site. It's a very streamlined process designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't have to mess around with complex settings or multiple clicks. The tool does it all for you, maintaining all the elements, settings, and content you've already established. Duplicating a page is an excellent practice for preserving your site's style and functionality across multiple pages without starting from scratch each time. Keep in mind that while this feature saves time, make sure to fine-tune the duplicated page to fit your new content or purpose, making each web page unique and fully optimized for your visitors. So there you have it, a few simple clicks, and you're on your way to a more efficient website building. Easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Weebly tips and tricks.